Okay guys, on this video we're going to be talking about the page settings and website settings. So first of all, on this bar we have everything about the website. So website settings is going to open like this. So this is the title of the website. It is very important for Google. The address of the website, the domain you have here, the language is important for Google and to see the apps, right? Description of the website. Here you have that little thing made with Builderall. I would love if you can leave that thing on your website. If you don't want it, you can just uncheck here, all right? But let's say you want to use the made with Builderall, all right? Here you can just give one click and you're gonna enable the CRM. I'm not gonna do this right now. We're gonna do that later, but this is how you're gonna enable CRM. The 5 icon is where you're gonna choose the little image that's going to show here when people open your website, right? So just click here and choose the any image is going to be there on as the 5 icon on your website. Okay, cool. Now you have the SEO settings, the keywords, meta tag if you are going to use something on Google, robots and ads. Okay, so as you are going to use or you are going to put your website on Google or use other stuff, they are going to tell you put this code on the meta tag, put this code on robots, or put this code on ads on your website. All you have to do is put those codes here. Okay, it's a kind of advanced stuff. Okay, cool. And now settings, scripts. Those are scripts that you can put on your website. For example, regular scripts. Then you can have pixel. Then you can have analytics. You can just put the scripts here and save. Everything's going to be working on your website settings. And then you have the page settings. Page settings are a little bit different. Name of the page, is this the home page? Yes, so you check yes. All right. What is the URL of this page? It's always good if you are doing SEO to use the keywords on the URL here. The title, the description, also good to work with your SEO keywords. Okay, integration key if you are going to use for mailing boss or for any other thing that needs an integration key with your page, you can put the integration key here. Tag reference, other advanced stuff. Who needs to use tag will know how to use that thing. Page scripts. Sometimes you have to put some scripts on your page. This is the place you are going to put the scripts for your page. All right. SEO settings, same thing. Keywords, meta tag. And if you have to redirect people to other pages, so for example, you are promoting this URL, but you don't want to have people going to this URL anymore, you change it. So you can just put the other URL here, so when people access this website that you already promoted, but you want to take people to other website, just put the URL here, okay? If you don't want to have this website found on Google, just click here, no index, and this website is not going to be found on Google. And here you are going to see the image to share this page. You can change this image or download this image there, okay? Pop-up settings is where you are going to find or select the pop-up you are going to use on your website, the desktop and mobile, all right? What kind of the pop-up I already show you guys. Header, same thing. If you built a header for your website, you can choose what is the header you are going to show on this page. You can have more than one header for website, 2, 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter. You can choose one header for desktop and another header for mobile, so you have 100% control. And the footer that we already talked about as well, you can connect it here. Save, and boom, this is the configurations of your page. All right, so this is where you're going to do the configurations of your website, and each page has its own configurations. All right, guys. Okay, so that's it. Now you also have a GDPR settings. GDPR is pretty much like people in Europe who needs to use. We have a tutorial about that. I'm not going to talk about the GDPR on this thing because it's a big thing. So please, if you are in Europe, go to the knowledge base and find information about the GDPR, and then you're going to be able to see how the thing works, how to configure, how to make that happen on your website. Really easy. Okay, guys. Then site members is where you are going to see all the members on your website like this, right? All the members will be here. Member area form, all the fields that you are going to ask for people to join or to register on your website. In that case, name, email, and password. right? Then you're gonna choose what's going to be the design or the theme of your registration form. That could be like this, that could be like this, all right? That could be like this, that could be light, that could be dark. It's up to you how you are going to use, okay? Background color, you can just like optimize, customize everything, okay? Cool. And then senders, that's very, very important. Let's open senders. That's going to be your email. You gotta put your email here. Otherwise, when people ask the email to remember the password and other things, it's going to go with the Builderall email. So you don't wanna have that. So contact them of my webinar. That's the email I create for this account. And that's it. Save. All right. Then you have here the automatic emails. So we already have automatic emails for you guys, but you can create a new automatic emails theme. And then, for example, Eric, save, right? Edit theme. Oops, sorry. Go there, all right. And then you're going to be able to write your own welcome email when people join your membership area, right? So we already have this thing, username, password. They're going to receive everything. But if you want to edit, all you have to do is change the content, keep those tags, right? And you are good to go as well. Okay, cool, save. All right. And super checkout, you guys already saw. Integrations is if you are going to sell this product on the super checkout and you're going to use JVZoo, ClickBank, or Digistore. So you have to select here on the membership area as well. For this, you should see a tutorial on the super checkout and membership area, right? And that's pretty much it. Just connect the domain. We already have our domain connected. Transfer this website. You're going to be able to transfer this website for other Builderall user, right? And I guess browser notification. This is a tool that we are not using on this funnel. We could use, but we are not using. Later, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, or maybe you should search for the tutorials, okay? Go to the sitemap. Sometimes you are going to put your website on Google. Google is going to ask you the sitemap. Then you can just click here and then you can copy this thing and put on Google. So Google will be able to find your sitemap and get you better ranking on Google. Go to the website, back to home, and that's it. That's all about your website configurations. And then if you click here on site, on home, and then there you go, you will see all the pages as well, right? If you all the pages are already organized here, but if you create one page and then you create another and then other, so the pages are in different order here, you can just click sort and then you can drag and drop and organize the pages the way you want it. Once you have everything the way you want it, you can save, sort, and you are again good to go. All right, one more thing, very, very important. Every time that you change something on the header, footer, or pop-up, it's not inside your pages. Header, footer, and pop-up, it's outside your pages, right? It's connected to your page. So every time that you edit something on pop-up, headers, and footers, you have to republish the website. So the website is going to connect the pages with the header, footer, and the new pop-ups again. All right, once you republish, your website is good to go. All right, guys. Okay, this is how you do the configurations of your website and pages, and I see you on the next video.